Hi, Richard. So we have a question from
Okay.
user Nick on YouTube who asks, if someone has low or blocked energy, would they also be able to do this, or would they first need to get their energy moved or unblocked by a practitioner?
This is such an interesting question because there's a natural assumption that you have to have spectacular energy in order to do great work. And that might be true for Reiki, but it's not true for quantum touch. I remember in one of my workshops, I was a little concerned about that question myself. And there was a great grandmother who was probably in her early 90s, and she was working on an Olympic athlete who had some bad knee pain. Now, she didn't have a super high level of vitality, but she worked on his knee and she knows how to love. She adores her grandchildren, her great grandchildren. She just adores. So she's holding the energy and she's doing the breathing and the body sweeping. First day of the workshop, just basic work. And the guy, oh my God, this is like amazing. Like his knees transformed. And and so you don't have to be special. But unlike Reiki, we don't have any attunements, we have no symbols. We actually are doing work while we're doing it. We're not waiting for energy to come in, we're bringing it. And the way we bring it is by doing using various breathing and body awareness patterns of moving the energy through ourselves. And we link the two together, and that raises your vibration, even for great grandma, to be able to work on the Olympic athlete.
So as the person is working, they're raising their own vibration. So even if they themselves have their own blocks or stagnant energy, then they're benefiting from it as well.
Yeah, there's this physician, Jerry Pittman, who wrote something to the effect that in its elegance, quantum touch first provides healing for the practitioner. And it does. So you have to be working on yourself as you're helping other people. So we like to say that all healing is resonance and entrainment. And if you, the practitioner, can hold a high vibration of energy, the person receiving it will gradually entrain or match your vibration. The body heals itself. So all healing is ultimately self-healing. I like to say the definition of a healer is someone who was sick and got well, and a great healer was someone very sick who got well quickly.
Thank you so much, Richard. And thank you to Nick as well for submitting that great question.